Trying to track down a random misfire? Let's talk about it. Hey there viewers, today I'm working on a 2016 Chrysler 200. It's got a little random misfire amongst other codes. I've already pulled the codes on this one, so it really comes down to taking a look, check the condition of these spark plugs and see what we're actually dealing with. I already have some suspicions. I do have a cylinder number 3 misfire, so I definitely want to check that spark plug. But I've got random misfires. I also have a code for a rough idle at startup, which is usually carbon that's built up on the valves. But we'll look into some things and see what we're dealing with today. You just pop this cover right off, and everything's pretty accessible. Get our handy dandy screwdriver in here. Pop the safeties on these coil packs. Got a little snap-on screwdriver. They said it was free, but I feel like it costs more than that. Anytime you step on one of those trucks, it ain't free. A little oil down the end of the boot. That can cause a misfire. You crack the porcelain on the plugs. Ooh, that one's dripping. There you go. Let's check out those spark plugs. Ah, not looking too good. Some oil on those plugs too. Someone ran Champions in here. Whew, that's a lot of oil. A little fouled. Yeah, a little fouled. When in the case where you see oil on the end of a boot like that, just know that there's a few things that can cause problems with that. One, you're getting oil down in your spark plug tube. It sits on a hot spark plug. It can actually crack the porcelain. It can cause a misfire that way, but it can also mess with the electronics inside of the coil pack and cause the coil pack to fail. So after some testing, we decided we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket. We're gonna replace the spark plugs, we're gonna replace those coil packs. These things have about had it. After a little bit of testing, they don't look so hot. So hopefully that'll clear up most of it. Now that cold start rough idle, we're gonna go ahead and run some seafoam through here and see if we can't clean those intake valves a little bit and clear that up as well. As always, thank you for watching. If you got any questions, drop a comment down below. I'll respond as soon as I can. Please like, share, and subscribe.